Sri Lankan food has names as rich as its flavor. Today, we are breaking them down in Sinhala and English. Welcome everyone to Sihala Derana. What is the most popular food in Sri Lanka? Any guesses? Yes, it's rice. It's the most eaten food by Sri Lankans. In Sinhala, we call it bath. Bath. And trust me, no meal feels complete without it. Next up is noodles. In Sinhala, we actually say the same thing. It's just noodles. No translations needed. Noodles. What about bread? For bread, we say paan, paan. And here's something cool. When people don't feel like cooking or even traveling to a bakery, they just wait for the choon pan man. It drives around with music, bringing fresh bread and buns right to your street. But here's the funny part. You better be ready for a marathon because these vans move faster than delivery riders. You literally have to run to catch them before they disappear. Alright, next one is Thosa. Same name in Sinhala too. Thosa. Thosa. Sometimes you will hear people call it as Those. Hopper. In Sinhala we just call it aappa-ආප. Easy, right? String hoppers. We call them Indiaappa. Indiaappa in Sinhala. They might look simple, but they are super tasty. Usually, we eat them with some kiribath, which is coconut milk curry, and a bit of spicy pearl sambal. It's a classic Sri Lankan breakfast. You don't wanna miss. Koththu. Same name in Sinhala. Koththu. Koththu. If you ever come to Sri Lanka, trust me, you have to try it. It's spicy, messy, and full of flavor. And yeah, the chop chop sound while they make it, that's part of the experience. Alright, guess what we usually make for breakfast on birthdays in Sri Lanka? Yes, it's kiribath. That's milk rice. It's not just food, it's like a birthday vibe on a plate. While it's not only for birthdays, you will almost always see it served first thing on someone's big day. And the best part is eating it with spicy luminaries. That's it for today's video. Enang gihingan nam, parisaling ina.